Wait a second, you're on the video again. Welcome, my name is David Findo. They also call me TipsWithDav. I wanted to start off that video a little bit differently, guys, and I am sure that you are curious to see why I'm on this part right here on this page on Poloniex. What is Poloniex? You can see most probably I haven't signed into my account, but I wanted to actually come out here and show you guys some cryptocurrency charts. If you're for the first time on my channel, we talk about cryptocurrency in these videos. I'm going to give you guys tips and strategies on cryptocurrency marketing and just building your business online the right way. So if you're interested in that, hit the subscribe button, guys. I am excited always to come out with new content for you, for me, and for everyone else who would like to know more about cryptocurrency. So what are we looking at, guys? What are we looking at? We are looking at a chart of one of the cryptocurrencies that I like to go in and out with trading. Okay, now you can see it's a nice upward trend that it has on this chart right here. I'm not going to go into details of how you set up your chart or what you can do, but let me just tell you that with this chart there were multiple occasions, for example right here, where you could make the trade. This is already above. Then right here you can make a trade and you can get something, you can get the profit right here. Right here you can make a trade. Right here you can make a trade. Right here you can make a trade. So that at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times that you could make the trade, all from the last 5 minutes. Okay, sorry, one last hour, let's say, in the span of 5 minutes each, because each of these candlesticks are 5 minutes. So in the span of the last hour, you could definitely make multiple times various shifts and profits. Okay, but this is how you would look at a chart, and people might think it's complicated, right? You and I both. When I started and I looked at these charts, I'm like, I'm never gonna get it. I can't understand, how is it possible? Well, I'm here to prove you guys a bit wrong and say trading cryptocurrency is one of the best skills you can learn, because it applies to any other industry as well, any other trading industry, whether it is stocks, commodities, whether it is currencies, whatever the trading you're doing, it's still a skill set, right? And cryptocurrency trading for me has been a lifesaver, honestly. And this thing that I told you on where the entry and exit points are for me, I micro trade. Okay, I trade micro profits. What does it even mean? These profits right here, up, get out. Okay, it's out, it's up, it's gone back down again. Make another trade here, and out, get out. Make another one here, get out. Make another one here, get out. Make another one here, get out. So you, as you're going up, you're actually increasing your value and increasing the amount of trading that you're doing. But at the same time, you're making micro profits, not buying here and hoping and dreaming and asking the world for it to go up. Okay, the cryptocurrency markets are very volatile, so you're not going to understand whether, you cannot predict whether it's going to go up or down. So it's pretty much good to see all of this right here and see what you can trade with. Okay, now how did I learn this? This is the first question that I get. Before I go to that, I wanted to just show you cryptocurrency marketplace as of now, as of today, as of the 5th of June, because I wanted to just give you guys an idea that trading is a skill set. Okay, you need to keep in mind with the Bitcoin, with the coin market cap and the exchange, in order for you to do it. There are many opportunities. You can see the charts. There are many opportunities for you to trade. So why not do it? Why not do it on a part-time basis? If you can manage to get at least $100 per day on trading, okay, at least $100 per day on trading, that is just for a month. Okay, imagine if you get every single day your trading volume, you're making at least one trade of $100. You're getting $100 of profit every single day. Times that by 30, and it is 3,000 US dollars per month, just if you're trading $100 per day. If your aim is just $100 per day, it is possible. Okay, and trust me, you can make $100 per day in the cryptocurrency space in one trade as well. But that's why I look at percentages. Guys, this is not financial advice. This is just me telling you how scared I was, how nervous I was about trading when I just started. and then I got this product right here, which is called iCoin Pro. Pretty easy to get started. In fact, you can click the link in the description below and you'll be able to get started with iCoin Pro as well. Okay, and as you can see, it's a training platform. Now it's live, it's a membership site, so it's live educational information and training on everything cryptocurrency related. Very often we also have a secret forum that we use in order to help the members of iCoin Pro as a membership. Okay, but what do I use? You want to ask, David, what is the strategy like? How do they teach trading? Yes, they do. Okay. And in fact, here, if you go to iCoin Pro training, I'm going to show you that here there's one aspect of it, and here there's another aspect of it. So if you want to take a sneak peek of what exactly it means that we are training to trade and how to use it, then check out these videos right here. Okay, it's very important to gain the skill. Once I started to learn the skill, these charts seem like a piece of cake for me. It seemed like I want to trade every day. I wake up in the morning wanting to trade every single day, but it has definitely helped me. So that's about it from my side. Hopefully you guys got an idea, a little more aspect of why the fear of trading should not be there for you. But definitely I can see that it is in the right hands. My membership and my faith, let's say, in learning the skill. Okay, in learning the skill. Learn, implement. If you don't implement, you're not going to get any results. If you do implement and you use the tools, which no other company and no other person in the industry has the tools that we have here, which is even a proprietary software that actually crawls the exchanges for trades, so you can actually leverage that for your benefit. Okay, my name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Thank you a lot for checking out this trading side of the business. I'm going to leave a link in the description that will take you through the cryptocurrency world, as I call it, and how we run my business and how we get things going and helping people just by learning the skill. Okay, have a great day, keep it up, and I'm going to see you on the next video.